think having the rider buckle on my saddles is a good deal because I think it's going to help me keep me from falling off and keep my stirrups on.
Here we go for the cow town in North Texas. Look at the beautiful turns. One more. Everybody help her. Oh. Now she only needs one stirrup to cross the line. 14:27. Wow. That's going to be good, Andy.
She lost her stirrup right there at the first barrel. Wow.
As they used to say in a famous sitcom, Lucy, you got some splaining to do. What is this? What is this and what happened?
That's my stirrup. I guess it popped off going in the first barrel.
Yeah, but aren't stirrups kind of important for balance and control?
Yeah.
Tell me if you felt it break loose when you came in and where and what did you think when it happened?
Well, I've had it happen before at a champion challenge, and so this time when it did happen, I was like, I'm not going to let this not let me win, because I did last time, so I just went for it.
So it blew your mind the first time, and by that experience, you said, I'm not going to think about it. Okay.
This is absolutely an amazing new invention. It's called the rider buckle. And I can personally say that I've seen girls come down the alleyway in the barrel race and all of a sudden their stirrup literally falls to the ground and they compete the run with no stirrup. This is such an easy device to guarantee that your stirrups stay in place. By lifting up on the latch, that Blevins buckle slides up. You can adjust your stirrup and snap it right back into place. It's an amazing invention. It's simple, it's easy to use, and it's a tremendous safety concept.
I just wanted to show you these new rider buckles that I got from Tack. All you need to do is pull out this black lever and push it down and it's locked. It makes your riding a lot more safer. Thanks to me, Rider, and I hope everybody has a good day. Bye!